You got this.
I want to explain how you can prove to yourself the enormous returns possible in your own life by putting this secret to a practical test. 30 days. I want you to make a test. I want you to make a test that will last 30 days. Now, it isn't going to be easy. If you'll give it a good try, it will completely change your life for the better. Back in the 17th century, Sir Isaac Newton, the English mathematician and natural philosopher, gave us some natural laws of physics which apply as much to human beings as they do to the movement of bodies in the universe. Now, one of these laws is that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Equal and opposite reaction. Simply stated, as it applies to you and me, it means we can achieve nothing without paying the price. We must be willing to pay the price. Now, what is that price? What is that price? Well, it's many things. First, it's understanding emotionally, as well as intellectually, that we literally become what we think about. That we must control our thoughts if we're to control our lives. It's understanding fully that, as ye sow, so shall ye reap. And that the opportunities for you today are enormous beyond belief. It's rising above narrow-minded pettiness. Thirdly, to use all your courage to force yourself to think positively on your own problem, to set a definite and clearly defined goal for yourself. To let your marvelous mind think about your goal from all possible angles. To let your imagination speculate freely upon many different possible solutions. To refuse to believe there are any circumstances sufficiently strong to defeat you in the accomplishment of your purpose. To act promptly and decisively when your course is clear, and to keep constantly aware of the fact that you are, at this moment, standing in the middle of your own acre of diamonds, as Russell Conwell used to point out, that you are, at this moment, standing in the middle of your own acre of diamonds.